gonna be surprised at how quickly you can set up and draw staircase in ArchicAD. In this video, you're going to master staircase settings and how to draw staircase for an R+1 story. Whereas in the last video we did railings, video link above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. Draw your staircase, navigate to stair, double click on it, and then you're going to move to stairs and make sure that this point is set at 0 and this is set at 0. You're going to set your width of your stair to 1.20 meters. The number of risers you want it to be 20, and we have 0.15 this way, which is actually okay. So you're going to move to floor plan display and sections. Under show all relevant stories, you're going to select all relevant stories, and under relevant story from 0, you're going to allow that with bring marker. Once done, make sure you move down to floor plan symbol override. You're going to make sure that you select override object line types and override object panes. Then your symbols are all going to be set to arch. Once done, click OK, and then we are going to start drawing our staircase. So you're going to select a line tool, move to the edge of this point, any point this way, draw in 4.2 meters, which is the length of our staircase. Press enter. So our staircase is 4.2 meters. Click on stair. Make sure you choose the place right railing, which is this. Hover over this point and you're going to start your staircase from this point. So type in 3 meters to get to this point. Change from flight to landing. Continue 1.2 to this edge. Move down this way by 2.5. This way we are going to select where this point intersects. And then change from landing to flight, which is the first one, and draw right up to this point. 20 risers of 0.15, 19 goings of 0.30 meters. This is our staircase. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely gonna love what we have next. Click here to discover how to place furnitures in ArchicAD like a professional. See you on the other side, my friend.